Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Blender Boost YouTube channel. In previous lessons, we talked about the modeling and animation part of this loop animation. If you didn't watch those tutorials, I will put the link in the description down below, or you can go through by clicking on this playlist card. Okay, today we are going to learn about adding colors to this gift balloon. I will turn on the material preview, but you will be able to see a gray color view on material preview mode. The reason is this cloud shader is not working on Eevee render engine. It is only working on Cycle's render engine. Therefore I will hide these clouds on the viewport. After I will turn on the material preview button. Okay, let's start with this box part. I will select this and go to the material tab. Already it has created a material. It is the default material. Then I will change the base color. Now you will be able to see this material has been added to other parts of the gift box. I will remove the same color from other parts. Select each part and remove the materials by clicking this minus button. Okay, then I want to see the same color of the top part of the box. So I duplicate this material by clicking on this little icon. Now it is new material. You can rename it like this because it makes it easy to understand the relevant parts and materials. You can change these parameters and create different materials. I will increase this metal value to make it shiny. Also, I decrease the roughness. Now I will select the ribbon part and create a new material. And rename it as ribbon. Then give any color as you like. I will give this purple color. Then I will give the same ribbon color for these two small ribbons. Select each part and go here this small icon, and choose the color. I filled all ribbon parts with the same color. Okay, now I create new material for this ribbon which goes around the box. I give it a light purple color. Then select each part and add colors for each part. I believe you will be able to understand this process. Okay, we have to add two colors for the balloon. First, we have to add the main color. I will fill it with white color. Press number 1 on the numpad for coming to the front view. Then select the balloon part and press the tab to go to the edit mode. Now turn on X-ray view by clicking this small icon. Now let me explain the usage of the X-ray view. I will select the face select tool and draw a box select like this over here. Now you will be able to see this top area was selected. Now let me show the same thing without the X-ray view tool. I turned off the X-ray view tool. After I selected like this, do you see the difference? It's only the selected front area of the balloon. If you want to select around the balloon, front and back faces, you have to turn on X-ray view. Now you can turn off the X-ray view by clicking the Alt-Z shortcut. Alt-Z is the shortcut for X-ray view. You can turn on or turn off the X-ray view by clicking Alt-Z. Okay, I came to the front view by pressing number 1 of the numpad. Then I will create a new material. Now I select these faces and after I will assign the orange color for these faces. Click on the assign button. Okay, now I press the tab and come to object mode. I will turn on rendered view by clicking this icon. You can see the camera view by pressing number 0 on the numpad. Now let me unhide the clouds. Okay. This is the end of today's lesson. In the next lesson, you will be able to learn how to add another image texture to the balloon. Then see you in the next video. Bye.